Hello everyone and welcome to another genuine how-to. Today we'll be going through wheel change 101. If ever you find yourself in a situation where your tire needs to be changed, don't worry. Here's a genuine how-to that anyone can do. Firstly, ensure the vehicle is on a level, firm surface and a sufficient distance from the road or passing vehicles. Make sure the vehicle's engine is switched off, the handbrake is engaged, and that the vehicle is in reverse gear or park for automatics. If you're on the roadside, switch on the emergency lights and put out a warning triangle at least 2 meters behind the vehicle, and even further if you're on the highway. Get out your spare wheel, the jack, and the tools from your tire change kit. Start by loosening the wheel nuts in a cross pattern with the wheel spanner anti-clockwise. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Only undo the nuts up to the point where they turn freely. Once all the nuts are undone, position the jack on a flat, firm surface at the appropriate jacking point. Check your owner's manual if you're not sure where it is. Never jack up the vehicle while you or somebody else is working underneath it. Insert your wheel spanner into the jack, then start to turn it clockwise. Righty-tighty, ensuring that the jack is always aligned with the jacking point. Continue to jack the vehicle until there is around 2 to 3 centimeters of space between the flat tire and the road, keeping in mind that the spare tire will be fully inflated. Completely undo the wheel nuts in a cross pattern with the wheel spanner, starting at the bottom. Your brake disc may be hot, so take care. Take the wheel off. Now put the spare on, replacing the nuts and tightening them with your fingers. Make sure the wheel is seated flush. Now you can jack the car back down carefully and remove the jack from beneath the car. Tighten all the nuts in a crisscross pattern with the wheel spanner, triple checking the wheel is seated properly. And now you're ready to go. So whether it's from a nail in the road
or from a pothole at a music festival, when you said you were studying...
What? Hey, soft life. Woo.
If you found this useful, please like our video and subscribe to our channel.
And if you have a Toyota how-to that you'd like us to do, leave us a note in the comments.